So we're heading off to Woodlands Historic Park today in Melbourne for some birding, and it is a very special someone's birthday. It is Fenton's 3rd birthday, so we're going to go on a little adventure and hopefully find some amazing birds. Alright, let's go! Woodlands Historic Park is about 20 k's north of Melbourne Airport, and it's crazy, you can see all the planes driving in, so we'll try and catch them. But it is 700 hectares wide, and it has so many amazing birds and kangaroos and all different wildlife, and you wouldn't think you'd have such beautiful park right next to the airport. So at this park they have some amazing bird species which hopefully we'll be able to spot today. They have the red rump parrot, the crimson rosella, the eastern rosella, superb fairy wrens, spotted pardalots, white plumed honeyeaters, laughing kookaburras, scarlet robins, and my favourite, the rainbow lorikeet, just to name a few, and I'm sure there's many more hopefully we'll be able to spot today. See the planes coming in. We're going to try a different entrance today than I did last time. Last time we took the Somerset Road entrance, which has a really nice picnic spot, but today we're going to try the Oaklands Drive entrance. There is a Moonee Ponds Creek Trail walk which we're going to do, so we're going to try a different section to walk today because dogs aren't allowed in the back paddock. Due to the eastern barred bandicoots, they have a certain section that's gated off to protect the threatened wildlife of the bandicoots. So we're going to do as much of the walk as we can and hopefully spot as many bird species as possible. Alright, let's go on the adventure. You guys are real cute. Hello. So this is the walk we're going to do, and as I said we can't go to that back paddock because of this little boy. So there's lots of people with their dogs out today. It did say on a sign that part of this track is closed, so we're gonna find out if we can get the whole way down here, otherwise we may turn around and find another track. To Somerset Road as well. I think we're going to get a better chance of seeing some birds over there. These are the ones in the back paddock we're not able to go to, but I would love to see one. They're so cute. We just saw some eastern rosellas in the tree. They're so quick, so it was hard to get a shot. I got one, I think, blurry shot, but they're super cute. So to get to see some beautiful birds. Definitely wasn't as many as last time we were here. I think last time we came in spring, so obviously a better time for bird spotting here. But it was a beautiful day, got to see some amazing wildlife that weren't really birds. But I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know where else we should go in Melbourne for our next birding adventure. See you next time, bye! So we're heading to Woodlands Historic Park today.
She said, what, Woodlands?